Hi, good morning, yeah. Today I am going to show what is this one. Very easy besan ka puda. Why I am telling this one, whenever you want to eat the dosa and idli and all, you have to make it one day before. The fermentation has to be done. This is healthy and very nutrition. Everything is there. Besan ka puda. Very easy method and quick you can make it. That's all, yeah. Come fast, okay? This already I kept the basin. Have a look this one, and I put it salt also inside this one. Okay, I'm making two. Now you can add the whatever, even though you want vegetables also you can add in this whatever vegetables. Now already I cut it and kept the onions. I'm mixing. See, okay, this much. I'm putting more onions. It's very tasty. Next is I'm adding this one. What is this? Chilies. You don't want that much, then you can quit. This is garam masala. Okay. See, this is only ajwain actually. Like this, you have to crush it and put it. The taste will be very nice. Now, this is the jeera powder. Little I am adding. Okay. Next is the chili powder. I can't touch with the hands. Okay. This is the chili powder. Now you have to mix it properly like this and add the water. Now see the water. I'm sorry. See, now nicely crush it onions and chili, and you want to add the coriander also little bit. Yes. Now you can see properly. Add the water because dosa consistency only this is, so you have to be a bit careful. Yeah. See. More water little. Yes. This is okay. Now you want to keep it for 10 minutes, it's okay. Otherwise, directly, immediately you can put the dosa. Dosa means puda, yeah. Okay. Come now. See, my tawa, how square one I'm going to make with this. See, like hotel style only. Oh. Okay, when you are putting the puda, you have to be very careful about your gas flame. Always it will be in the medium. Okay. Now this puda is protein and fiber is there. Now I am going to make one small twist. I'll show you that one also. That one only small tip. Okay. Now see, good, you have to put. Small I'm putting like round, but you have to keep it one thick, yeah, this one. Okay, always puda with the onions, and you want any vegetables also you can mix it in this. Nice actually. I'm eating all the vegetables because not necessary for me. Now only you have to keep it the medium flame. Just I'm using the sesame oil, and you can use the ghee also, but sesame oil is the better for this dosa. Okay. Now only I am going to show my twist. What is that? See, yeah, this is the cheese. Okay. Now you people must tell me, make like this with the cheese. Then let me know how you can enjoy this one. Okay. See, Indian pizza I am making. Now you want to add so many colorful things also, yeah, capsicum, this, that, you can add it everything. Okay, see now properly. Come have a look. Aha, with the chilies and cheese. Oh, nice. Yeah, again we have to keep it high flame. You want to add more also, you can add more, yeah, this cheese. Come on now, see now. Yes. One, please. 1, 2, 3. See. Just poke it like this because we are adding the cheese also. So we'll see how it will come. Nicely, you want to have with the tomato sauce because I don't like tomato sauce. I will take with the, sometimes I'll take with the coconut chutney. Otherwise, pudina chutney also. Very easy. Sometimes you people are coming from the college, school, office, something you want to eat, that time you have to order. I don't know whether it's very hygienic and all nutrition is there or not, but this is very easy. You have the basin, just mix it and put it and eat it, that's all the vegetable also you can put, otherwise cheese, whatever you like it. I love it with the cheese and chili. Ayyo. What happened? Come. I told you can't use the full flame. So little bit conscious about this. Yeah, see, now again I'm adding the cheese. You want to see properly. Like this only you want to eat. That is also okay. Have a look like this. Crispy and okay. See. Yeah. Now your puda is ready. Now you can take it like this. Have. See. Like pizza only it's looking like, but something different and nice healthy one. Now tasting time, yeah. I will taste this one. Very hot. See. I'm taking with the pudina chutney. See. Very tasty and very nice with the something little bit a twist of the cheese. Okay, now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy.